Hello everyone, welcome to our technical podcast. My name is John and today we are going to explore a powerful lighting control technology used in concert, theater and professional events. We are talking about the lighting system developed by Avolites, specifically the software Titan and the interfaz Titan One.
Hello, John. Today we will explain how this system works, how lighting devices are configured, and how engineers can program professional light shows using Titan.
First, let's talk about Titan One. Titan One is a small USB interface that connects a computer to a professional lighting network.
Exactly. The Titan software can open without the device, but the lighting control functions cannot be activated unless the Titan One is connected.
These non-device words like digital lines and also like a communication interface between the computer and the lighting fixtures.
The system uses the Titan lighting software. One of the most stable versions used by technicians is version 18.
Yes, the software includes many tools that allow engineering to configure lighting fixtures, create scenes, and control multiple devices.
Even if you do not have the Titan One device, the software can still be used for practice and simulation.
However, to control real lighting in a professional environment, the Titan One interface must be connected. One important feature of the Titan system is the fixture library.
Yes. Every lighting device has different characteristics such as pan movement, tilt movement, color control, and intensity.
Because of that, Titan includes a large library of lighting devices so the software can recognize and age fixtures correctly.
This allows engineers to control many different types of lighting equipment in the same show.
Now let's learn about device configuration. Professional lighting systems use the DMX protocol.
Each lighting device must have a specific DMX address so the controller knows which fixture it is controlling.
For example, strobe lighting may use 7 channels.
If the first strobe starts at address 1, the next device must start at address 8.
This address separation prevents communication conflicts between lighting devices.
If the addresses are not configured correctly, some lights will not respond to commands from the controller.
Once all the devices are connected and configured, engineering can start programming lighting escenas.
The Titan software allows users to create many effects such as flashes, color changes, movement effects, and intensity variations.
Some professional shows control dozens of lighting fixtures at the same time.
Large productions can even control hundreds of lights simultaneously.
Another advantage of Titan One is its price.
The Titan One interface usually costs around $400, which makes it much more accessible than professional lighting consoles.
Large lighting consoles can cost several $1,000 and are more complex to operate.
Because of this, Titan One has become a popular solution for students, technicians, and small production companies.
In the future, lighting systems will become even more intelligent and automated.
They're going to integrate lighting control with artificial intelligence and digital automation systems.
Because of that, technologies like Titan will continue to be essential tools for lighting professionals.
And they will remain one of the most powerful lighting control platforms in the industry.
To conclude, the Titan One system allows engineering to control professional lighting in an efficient and flexible way.
When devices are configured correctly and DMX addresses are assigned properly, the system can manage complex lighting environments.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
See you in our next technical discussion.